Now see here in Hooke's law. Before Hooke's law, one thing is here that is called elastic limit. So what do you mean by elastic limit? So elastic limit is the upper limit of the deforming force up to which if deforming force is removed, body regain its original shape. And if you apply the deforming force beyond that limit, the body does not regain its original configuration. That means the body loses its elasticity. So if any body is here, if you apply deforming force within the elastic limit, so within the elastic limit, stress is directly proportional to strain. That is according to Hooke's law. So we can write here stress is equal to K into strain, where this K is known as proportionality constant, and also known as here modulus of elasticity.